Cat Deeley has revealed her two sons have a very naughty habit, but she admires their positive body image. The 45-year-old opened up about her offspring on the Ellen DeGeneres show on Friday, when she confessed her sons refuse to keep their clothes on. The TV star, who shares Milo, 6, and James, 4, with husband Patrick Keelty, laughed, "It's fine now but not when they are 17 and doing it in supermarkets." She appeared on the chat show to discuss the upcoming 17th season of dancing competition So You Think You Can Dance, when she made the revelation about her kids. Cat shared, "They look at me in the eye and say, 'Mommy, let's get handsome,' and then take everything off." Well, that's not technically correct, but I like their positive body image. She then turned to the audience and said, "We should all do it, let's all get handsome." Recently, Cat said she is having a bracelet made with her son's skin, as well as using their baby teeth to decorate the bangle. She made the jaw-dropping revelation on the Sheer Looks Show podcast. Cat told the podcast, "I'm having a bangle made with their skin on it, and I'm going to get him to dip the baby teeth in gold and then attach them one by one to my bracelet." The tooth fairy came, but she had very little small change and had to give notes. "So I am like, what am I going to do with this tooth? I'm going to get him to dip the teeth in gold and attach them one by one to my bracelet. They will dangle and it'll look nuts." Cat jokingly added, "I do have to write to the tooth fairy asking for the tooth back." It comes after Cat's good pal Edith Bowman shut down rumors they once had a romantic relationship. The radio star revealed she was only platonically in love with her pal. "Cat Deeley and I, who are still really good mates, we started MTV at the same time and we'd spent so much time just hanging out and going out," the 48-year-old said of the SMTV Live host. Web celebs at mirror.co.uk or call us direct at 0207 29 33 033.